Yes, hello. Welcome back to our channel, Learn and Share. As you know, knowledge is really power. Let us always share with our friends. Today, we shall look at how to use Google Classroom using the PC. Yes, some people requested for me to make this video. Previously, I made a video about how to use Google Classroom using the mobile phone or your smartphone. Yes, so quickly on your PC, you're not going to download the Google Classroom application, but what you're going to do, you must have at least, you should use Google Chrome as the browser if you want to make everything easy for you. Yes, so make sure you have Google Chrome installed. If you don't have Google Chrome installed, make sure you install it first. However, other browsers can work, but I recommend you to use Google Chrome for Google Classroom. So open your Google Chrome, and then you're going to sign in with your email. Let me use this email. You can use your email that is provided to you by the school, or the one that's provided to you by or your personal email. Yes, so this is mine. All right, after signing in into your Google account, you'll open Google. After signing in, you're going to open Google Classroom. So you can either come here where you're seeing the Google Apps on your right, click here and look for Google Classroom. Scroll until you see Google Classroom, click on it. It will take you directly to Google Classroom. You'll go to Classroom, you continue, and then it will take you to Classroom. So if you're a teacher, you're going to create a class. You're going to come here and then create a class. Open the name, write the name of your class here. Let's say math class, for example, and then you're going to create a class for a teacher. And then if you're a student, there are several ways of joining a class. You can either join using the class code that is provided by the teacher, or you can join using your email address that is added to you by the teacher, or the teacher or your instructor will add you automatically. When you open your Google Classroom, you'll already see your classes there. Yes, so for example, if you're given a class code, you're going to come on the plus sign here, and then click on it, then say join class, and then make sure you put your the passcode here that they will provide you. You put the passcode right here, and then you click on join. It's just, of course, not the real passcode, but if you provided the real passcode, it's the one that you're going to use. All right, so this is how you can access Google Classroom. So someone also would be interested now all the time, why should I open Google Classroom? The process is too long. You can download actually a shortcut of Google Classroom on your PC. So you're going to go to Google and say, just type Google Classroom PC, and then look for this URL that shows Google Classroom. It like this. Open it from the web store, then just simply say add, click on add to Chrome, then add the application. It will download. After that, just right click here on the application and say create shortcut. Add to the desktop. If you want to add to your start menu as well, you can add. So I'm going to create my shortcut. So when I even if I close my browser here, as you can see, my Google Classroom is right here. This is just a shortcut, so I don't need now to open Google Chrome and then do all the other procedure. So when it's time for my class, I'll just come right here to Google Classroom, open it, and here you go. It will open my classroom. That's how you can open your Google Classroom, or how you can access your Google Classroom. And it's 5 minutes. Thank you so much for the request. Please share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and the notification bell. See you again next time.